Welcome to the Flipped Classroom. Today we're going to talk about simplifying algebraic expressions, part 2. Here is the objective. Recognize that the expressions obtained after simplifying is equivalent to the original expressions. You'll have vocabulary words. Equivalent expressions. Those are expressions that are equal for all values of the variable. Here's an example. 5x plus 7 and 12x are equivalent expressions because they are equal for all values of x. Here is why. 5x plus 7x. What does this equal? If we combine our terms, they are the same, so they are equivalent. Now that you know what a coefficient is a factor of the variable. So we're saying that x equals 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 x's, and each one has a coefficient of 1. So if I put 2 of these together, it would be 2x. If I put 1, 2, 3 together, it would be 3x. If I put 4 together, it would be 4x. And if I put 5 together, it would be 5x. Like terms can be added. We're going to draw a bar model to show what each one of these algebraic expressions is. We have a bar model, and the first one has 3 in it. Here is 3. This is 3. This is 3x, and this is x. So each one of these we add up, x plus x plus x plus x. What does it equal? 4x. So when we simplify 3x plus 1x, it becomes 4x. Now let's draw the model for our next one. We have 4z. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4z. Then we have 2z. What does it become when we simplify it? All of these are adding up all the z's. And no, it's not someone sleeping. 4z plus 2z equals how many z's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 z's. Now let's do the last one. We have y. 6y plus y. 1y, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's 6y. And then we have 1y. If we add them all up, what are we going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7y. Now it's your turn. Simplify the expressions and then check with the substitute on page 233 your answers. They're only going to tell you if they're right or wrong, so I also want you to draw the bar model to prove your answers. Next, you're going to practice to state whether each pair of the expressions are equivalent. Let's look at the first one. 3a and a plus a plus a. Draw the bar model of the first one. 3 a's. Then we have 1, 2, 3 a's over here. 1, 2, 3. Are they the same? Yes, they are called equivalent. You try the second one on your own. Stop the recording. Start when you're ready. Now let's look at 2k plus 5 equals k plus k multiplied by 5. Are they the same? You can draw them out. We have 2k's plus we have 5. Here we have 2k's multiplied by 5. Are they equivalent? No, they're not equivalent. One is addition, one is multiplication. Go ahead and finish and check with the substitute on page 233. Part C, like terms can be subtracted. We want to simplify 2v minus v. We'll draw the bar model. We have two v's. Can we subtract 1v? Can we take 1 away? Yes, we can. How many are left? 2v minus v equals 1v is left. Let's do the next one. 5w. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5w. Can we subtract 3w's? Well, let's see. Take 1 out. Yes, we can. How many is left? 2w's. So to simplify 5w minus 3w is 2w. And we can do that because our terms are the same. Y. Can I subtract a y? How many are left? 0. Now it's your turn. Draw your bar model, cross them out to show what you're subtracting, and write your answers here. Then check with the substitute. Then check with the substitute on page 234. Now you're going to state whether each pair of expressions are equivalent. Remember, the first one is what you start with. The second one is what you're going to subtract. So here we have an F. Can you subtract 6? Now you have 6. And you can subtract F. Let me know, is it equivalent or not equivalent? Bar model for the second one, 5C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I subtract 5C? I have 1A. Can I subtract an A? And I'll let you do the one on the end yourself. Draw the bar model. Check with the substitute. Wrap up. In this lesson, you have learned that to simplify algebraic expressions in one variable. And also, you have learned to recognize that the expression obtained after simplifying is equivalent to the original expression. Now what? In your study guide, turn to practice 7.3 and answer questions 4 through 6. Have a great day.